Wireframes. In this topic, we will cover wireframe. Wireframe is a blueprint of the application. Wireframes created for communication between customer, design team or users. It is not a visual design, it is a blueprint of the application. Topics we are going to cover: what are wireframes, how to create wireframes, benefits of wireframes. What is wireframe? A wireframe is a low fidelity simplified outline of your product. It also called blueprint of the application. For example, when we are building the house, our civil engineer may give us outline of the house where all the measurement of each rooms, house structure and floor plan etc. mentioned. We can make out how our house will look like based on the blueprint, isn't it? Same way, we are going to create a blueprint of the product. It can be used for a website, it can be used for product, it can be used for software, or it can be used for any type of the product. To create a wireframe, we can use the shapes like a rectangle box, circles, line, text to represent the placeholder for the content. All these shapes indicate how will look like the actual content. To create a wireframe, there are more than 20 plus wireframe tools in the market like Adobe XD, SketchUp, Axure, InVision Studio, etc. Also, there are many cloud-based online tools where you can create wireframes completely online like UXPin, Proto, etc. Some tool we can create and also can create a visual design like Adobe XD and SketchUp. Both are very popular tools in the market. You can create a wireframe, you also can create a visual design. There are few tools like Axure. You can create a complete interactive wireframe. You can create in Axure. Wireframes generally looks grayscale. You also can create a colorful wireframe to match with almost closer to final product. We can use the wireframe to show to the customer for the concept and to collect the feedback. It also saves time. We also can show end user to validate the design. To conduct a usability testing, wireframe plays very big role. The basic documentation or paper prototype is enough to start the wireframe. In the wireframe, you can create a structure of the layout and UI element to represent the content. Many customer and designers seem to have mixed opinion about the wireframe. Some people says or some customers say wireframe is a waste of time. Sometimes directly they create a visual design. When they create a visual design directly, later they may rework with a lot of changes where they will waste their time, which is unnecessary. Believe me, as a UX practitioner, don't skip the wireframe for the project. Once we get the approval from the customer, only we can start the visual design. It saves your time and your money. Some wireframes are static, some wireframes are completely interactive, which is very closely with the final product. Wireframe is the reference document for the customer, designers, developer, testing engineers and content writers. So don't skip the wireframe. Wireframe is very important. Wireframe play very big role in UX process. Prepare your research for reference like doing a competitor analysis and finding a similar website and get more ideas. Make sure you have your user flow, user journey and covered all the user's task. Draft, don't draw. Sketch, don't illustrate. And add more details for the testing. You don't need to add all the content. You can start with a dummy content or dummy images to represent the data. Start turning your wireframes into prototypes so customer know all the screen flow, user journey, etc. Wireframe principles. Maintain clarity. Your wireframe need to answer the questions of what is the purpose of the site and what is the user can do there. Your wireframe is an aid for you to visualize the layout of your site page and ensure that the user's most important questions are answered and goals are achievable without being distracted by more design considerations. Benefits of wireframes. Visualize the structure clearly. A wireframe is the first real process for the project. It turns the abstract ideas into something tangible without distraction. Wireframes enable one party can send its opinion to another party clearly, ensuring all parties are on the same page. Clarify the features of interface. In many instances, client may not understand jargons like a dynamic slideshow, news feeds, Google Map integration, product filtering, breadcrumbs, and hundreds of the other type of features. A wireframe provides a clear communication to the client how these features will function, where they will appear on the specific page, and how useful they might actually be. Push usability to the forefront. This is one of the most important benefits of wireframe. Usability is the basic requirement of design. Creating wireframe pushes usability to the forefront in showcasing page layouts at their core. It takes out the images and colors and the focus on the bones so that it forces everyone to look objectively at the website's ease of use. Conversation paths, naming of links, navigation, placement, and features placements. And this is beneficially for all the parties. Help to refine navigation. For example, a website wireframe allow people to give the new site to test run to see how easy or difficult it is locate the target pages to determine whether drop-down menus clarify or confuse the users, to find out whether breadcrumbs are helpful or distracting, to understand whether the overall navigation scheme is intuitive or difficult to use.